Many a time, just one thought can open the floodgates to many other thoughts and a roller coaster ride through an array of emotions that sabotages our bounce back ability. Your level of resilience then depends on how quickly you can change your thinking and dissolve your emotionally reactive state. Affirmations can help with that. Close your eyes and take some deep, comfortable breaths. Breathing deep into your diaphragm. As you hear a series of affirmations, fall into the experience of them. I am a pure soul, completely stripped of my role, character, and this costume, the body. My identity is of pure, bright, white light. I own nothing and desire nothing. Everything I need is right here inside of me. I am a peaceful soul. I am totally at peace with my life. I seek nothing different in any way. I am absolutely content. I am a powerful soul. My body is strong. My vision is clean. My words are sweet. Every thought is far-reaching, helping others. Nothing is impossible, and nothing unachievable. I am a loving soul. I love myself and respect myself. I love my life and the surroundings I find myself in now. I love all those close to me. I am love. And no extra drop of love from out there can complete me. I am truthful. I have all the wisdom I need to solve my problems. I am in touch with my intuition. I feel what is right and I follow my truth. I am beautiful. I am filled with the light of divine virtues. I color others with my inner palette of beautiful qualities. I shine with the sparkle of divinity. I am happy. So happy that my cells are dancing inside. So filled with gratitude towards everything. So thankful for my life experiences. Thankful for all my friends and family. I am balanced. My mind and body are healthy. My giving and receiving are balanced. My being and doing are aligned. My equanimity serves as an example to others. I am in harmony. There's harmony between my head and my heart. Harmony with my family and friends. I'm in harmony with Mother Nature. I feel aligned with the divine universe. I am victorious. I have all the qualities to succeed in my life. I have the wisdom to navigate through any challenge that comes along the way. Anything I put my mind to does manifest. Victory is my birthright. With these virtues and with divine guidance, what is unachievable? I am a fortunate soul. See yourself emanating these virtues as you go out to engage with the world. Thank you.